Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you can see in the background, we had a little bit of snow last night. It's nowhere near what the forecast promised, but still something. And I think it's the most we've had this winter. So, in this video, I will show you how you can replace the air filter on your Mark IV Mondeo 1.8 diesel. And of course, to access the filter, you will first need to open the bonnet. And as you are looking at the engine bay, the air filter sits right here in this box. And of course, to get it out, you will have to open it. So the common symptoms for a bad air filter are increased fuel consumption. It could also be rough idling, fuel smell coming from the exhaust, or black smoke, excessive black smoke for diesels, and in worst cases, even stalling. And so to access the air filter inside a box, you will first need to open it. And you can do that by loosening these screws. 6 in total. You don't have to remove the screws entirely. They just need to be loosened. I will show you that in a bit. But then you'll probably need to remove this cover, which is slightly in the way for that screw. Okay, let's open it. All right. So, as I said, these screws don't have to be removed entirely. Just loosen them until you, like so, until you can move the screw up and down like so. And that is good, because otherwise, knowing myself, I would probably drop them down there, which is not good. And now, do the same for all 6 of them. Alright, now that we have loosened all 6 of those screws, that was the toughest one, we can now open the box. And there it is. Just take it out. Oh, it's full of dead flies and whatnot. Sheesh. And here it is. Oh, look at those dead bugs all over it. Yeesh. Well, it's not the dirtiest filter, but it's due for a change. And here we have a new filter. Inside a box, of course. Come on. Ooh. There it is. Nice and clean. Alright, now let's put the new filter inside the air filter housing. Obviously, the narrow side is facing that way, and this rubber frame is facing up, just like you removed the old filter. And that's it. Just close it, make sure everything sits nice and tight. It does. Now let's put the cover on. Okay, everything looks good. And don't forget to screw back all 6 screws. And lastly, remember to put this cover back on. Like so. And that's it. And so, that is how you can replace the air filter in a Mark IV Mondeo 1.8 diesel. It's really no rocket science. There's really hardly anything you can do wrong here. And that's it for today. If you guys think this video is useful for you, then please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe, because I will be making more videos about this car and many other cars. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.